Hello, church family. It's Pastor Jeff. I just wanted to let you know that myself and the leadership here at Red Bank are aware that we are going to have a major winter event in our area this weekend. We're not real sure how much snow, how much ice is going to be here, but we wanted to be prepared in case that does happen. If we choose to close church for the safety of our congregation, we will send out a church-wide email blast. We will put a push on our church app, and we will make a post on Facebook to let you know what our plans are. Please, in this time of unusual weather, please stay safe. If you don't feel comfortable getting out, stay at home. If you need anything, please reach out to the church to let us know so that we can do everything we can to try and help. I pray that everyone will stay safe through this event, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. God bless you all.